Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, let me know. I don't use support and resistance nonsense. Okay, so Ibiza, you can just take that off your mind. 1 minute, guys. I've been having issues with this stream. My software just keeps crashing. I have no idea why. Just 1 minute. So as usual, we're going to do questions and answer. We're going to do analysis. If you want analysis for any period, just put that in the comment section. Is the music too loud? Or is the music okay? Hello, hello. Okay, I think the stream is good now. Let me see. I think the music is I said no music. Okay. Let me see. Okay, everything seems good right now. So someone says, sir, can you tell me about your trading style and gold? My trading style is I do not use support and resistance. I do not use moving averages. I do not use indicators. I do not use Ichimoku. I do not use trend lines. I do not use all those things that, people used to guess, and hope. We are trading currencies of countries. Okay, I trade it like stock markets. I trade the bear charts. I trade simple charts. Okay, I know the market rules and how the market is supposed to function, and I use these rules to my advantage. The same way you are limited to rules as a trader is the same way the market is limited to rules also, so that you'll be able to trade, because this is still the currency of countries and they can't just do whatever they want or else they'll destroy the world's economy. Okay, so someone said, okay, people are already putting suggestions. We have gold on the list, usdjpy on the list. You can start putting the pairs you want analysis for in the comment section. I'll add that to the list, and then we can do analysis and signals and talk about these pairs and see if there are any opportunities there. Also, if you have any questions about trading, swing trading, scalping, someone says GBP USD. Okay, I've added GBP USD to the list. So far on the list we have gold, USD JPY, GBP USD, someone says gold swing. I have no idea what that means. What is your question? Someone says Euro USD. Okay, so far on the list we have gold, USD JPY, GBP USD, Euro USD. What else? Is that all we have today, guys? Gold, USD JPY, GBP USD, and Euro USD. Is that all the analysis you guys want? Where are you guys from, by the way? And how did you find my live stream? Or how did you find my channel, basically? Okay, someone says AUD USD. Let me just add AUD USD to the list. So we have gold, usdjpy, gbpjpy, euro usd, aud usd. How many of you guys trade Asian session? Someone says popped out on my homepage. Okay. How long am I going to hold my gold trade? I'm going to hold my gold trade as long as I feel like holding it. It depends. There are a lot of things I'm looking at. If I see that the market is starting to go short, I already took about 55k in profit. Okay, lock that in. I put my break even at about 100k profit, and this week I'm going to make some withdrawals. Okay. I haven't uploaded any scalping videos in a while, but I should be uploading that soon. Someone says, do I trade for investors? Most of my six-figure accounts that you see, including the one I've been live streaming since, are investor accounts. I get a percentage of the profits made. Okay, so on the list so far, we have gold, usdjpy, gbpusd, euro usd, and aud usd. Alright, so do you guys have any other questions about swing trading, scalping before we move into the analysis? Alright, then let's begin. Let's start with gold. As you guys know, I've been buying gold, let me see, since when? Also, one thing about my trading style is that I have like an AI, okay? The AI scans the market, he analyzes the market, it looks at the market and tells me the trend of the market, where to buy, where to sell. It bends if I'm scalping, if I'm swing trading, if I'm hedging. The software does everything, tells me exactly when and where to do what I need to do. Okay, even when it comes to hedging, tells me when to buy, where to sell, everything I need to know. Okay, and it advises me as an AI. So that's what my bot helps me to do, and it comes with the course. Okay, so if you want to buy the course, the software comes with the course also. I've been holding this gold trade since the 9th of March on a swing trade. So about 11 days. Let me just share that screen with you guys. Just 1 minute. One minute. So yeah, I've been holding this gold trade since the 9th of March. I took a profit of about 50k. My break even is around here, so I'm locked in with about 90 something k profit. So I already know where I'm going to close my trade. I know what I'm going to look for in the market based on how I trade, and I don't need to use any indicators, no moving average and all this crap. I know exactly what I'm looking for. I know where exactly I'm going to close the trade, where if I'm going to decide to sell, if I'm going to decide to continue to buy. I've already taken some profit out of this trade. So you can see the market as it is right now. Okay, so kind of having some issues around here, but I already know what I'm gonna do. But let's get back into the chart so we can do some analysis. Someone says, hi mate from Australia, how do we get the software that you're using? You mean this software comes with the course? Okay, so some people say, oh, I already know how to trade, I just need your software to help me. You can get the software once you get the course. If you only want to get the software, you let me know and I'll give you a lower price. Okay, but if you want to learn, the software comes with the course for free and it's a one-time payment. Okay, but if you only want to get the software and you want to add it to your trading system, because it does all the analysis for you, it helps me in scalping, helps me to scalp, helps me to hedge, helps me to swing trade. This is what we are looking at right now, telling me the trend and everything. So it comes with the course. If you want the software alone, then you can just send me a private message on WhatsApp and Telegram. You can go to nlfxandcrypto.com to find out more about the course there. So that is Maramian Chips, Maramian Chips from Australia. But with that being said, and this works on all time frames. Okay, let's get back into the charts and we'll do some analysis. Someone says, what do you risk on each trade that you take? It depends. If I'm trading high risk, I know how much lot size I'm using. I actually have a mathematical formula I teach my students. If I'm scalping, I like to go high risk, so I usually use larger lot sizes. If I have a larger account, I usually like to go low risk. I usually like to swing trade on larger accounts. So I use a smaller lot size and I gain a lot of profits. Okay, because when you have a large account, when you are making profit, if you make 10% on a 100k account, that's 10k, you know. So it depends on your trading plan. But as a student, all this is discussed. You already know how you're going to trade. If you're scalping, if you're using a small account, if you're using a big account, if you're swing trading, you know how to use for whatever you want to do in the market. You must have a plan. Okay, you don't just jump in. You must have your exit plan ready. You must have your take profits ready. You must have your extended take profits ready. You must know the exact lot size you're going to use. You must know if you're going to trade high risk or low risk. So a lot of things come into play. Forget this is why I have my software. My software does all the analysis, so we don't waste time on doing all the analysis. We are focusing on more on the mathematical aspects, which is what helps you grow your account and which is what helps you keep your account long term with full confidence. And you gain that confidence from seeing the markets do exactly what you expect it to do all the time. The more it does it, the more confidence you get. You don't just open your charts and say, oh, I have confidence. No, that's not how you gain confidence in trading. Eraxi says, hi everyone. Hello, Eraxi. You say, what? So basically, what's my risk on each trade? It depends on how the trade setup is. Okay, even if let's just brush it down to, let's say I'm taking only swing trades. It depends on how the trade is set up, right? If I see a setup with a large risk, I might decide to use a lower lot, you know. So the game plan is already there. It's basically a formula that I use and I give to my students to use also. You once you put the formula, you put down your account size, you put down your exit, you put down everything, you add the formula out, and it tells you exactly what lot size you can use. Okay, so I'm not just guessing, I'm not just taking any risk randomly. So how do we get this AI without the course? If you want to get the AI without the course, send me a private message on WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, and just tell me, okay, I want to get the software without the course, and I'll let you know how. That means I'll have to give it to you at a lower price than the course. Okay, someone says, do you think gold will drop around 1850? We haven't started doing the analysis. We are going to talk about gold. So far on our list of analysis that you guys said you want, we have gold, USDJPY, gbpjpy, Euro USD, and AUD USD. If you have any more pairs that you want analysis on, you can put that in the comment section. Okay, so the first pair we're going to talk about is gold, so don't worry about that. Let me just answer some questions in the comments and then we'll jump right into it. So if you have, like I said, if you have any, I will talk about Bitcoin also. Well, we're also going to talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin shot up and I haven't done an analysis on Bitcoin in a while. Okay, so you guys just get your popcorn ready, get your wine, your drinks ready, and then we'll jump right into it. Someone says, Jaro says, hey y'all, hello. King Bank says, what's the minus funds do I need to be an investor? I don't understand. Minus funds. Well, anyway, let's jump right into it. Let's focus on gold. All right. While I'm doing the analysis, if you have any questions, you can just put that in the comment section. But let's start with gold. So what I'm gonna do is just prepare this chart a bit. So my bias on gold is bullish as of now. Why the chart is wasting time, I don't know. But remember, the market can always do whatever it wants. What I'm looking at is this area. Let's see. And all this, I'm just copying what my software is doing. It's not like I'm stressing myself all the time doing so. My software has already done this analysis. I'm just copying it and posting it for you guys. The software, immediately you open your charts, the software has done the analysis. What do you think, guys? I'm thinking about putting the software on TradingView, so it's not just on MT4, because I have it on MT4 and MT5 right now, and I'm working on putting it on TradingView. Is that something you'd be interested in? Someone says, hey Solomon, your software is very accurate, it helped me a lot. That's good to hear. What's the minimum funds do I need to be an investor? It depends. Okay, so just send me a message on that. But usually right now I'm accepting only like 5 figures, something from like 40,000 to 50,000. Okay. All right, so what I'm expecting gold to reach is 2020. 2020. Yeah, so right now gold is showing some signs of having a pullback. I don't want it to go below this 1960 area because this would be a bad sign for me. Maybe I'll start taking some profits if it starts going below this point, but I expect it to settle down here for a bit and after a while we begin to climb. It hasn't started climbing yet. I don't know why, but this is just my position on it. If you're in a buy on gold, you can continue to hold because my target right now is 2020. Once it reaches 2020, I will be taking some more extra profit from my trade, and we'll see how this plays out. So gold is actually very easy. That's what I expect from it. If you have any more questions on gold, because I don't know what more to say about it, I'm already in a buy. I've already given my signal students the signal on gold. So yeah, let's move on to the next pair, which is usdjpy. USDJPY, I already gave my students some kind of signal on USDJPY and it looks like we're already getting there. Setting a target of, let's see, 130.25. Okay, I'm expecting the markets to go this way to around the areas of 132 and 132.525. Okay, so these are very good sell areas. If you can sell from here I'm expecting the market to drop all the way down to 130.25. Okay, all this analysis done with my software also, but I'm bearish on usdjpy as of now. Okay, let me see. Someone says trading view will be great too. Yeah, but it's gonna take some time. Trust me, it took me almost 8 months to get it on MT4 and MT5. A lot of calibration, a lot of maths, a lot of tests, but I think we can get it on trading view within 2 to 3 months. Okay, that would be very nice. So I'll announce that later, but for now it's just on MT4 and MT5. Okay, and even if it's on trading view, you still have to purchase it. It's not like it's going to be free. Okay, but actually I agree with you guys, and I think it will be better on trading view. We'll keep improving. So we've focused on USDJPY. Let's move on to Euro USD. Where is Euro USD? Euro USD, I'm bullish on it. Okay. Okay. However, I don't really see anything secure on Euro USD. Okay, I don't really see anything secure on Euro USD. I need Euro USD to break this point. Okay, once it breaks this point, then I'll start looking for bullish buys on Euro USD. Right now, I would say we are bullish, but there is no opportunity for taking a buy. It's possible that Euro USD may get to this point, okay, and then begin to drop. So just keep an eye out for this 1.075 area. Between this 1.0725 and this 1.075 area, keep an eye out for it, because this area the market might begin to drop. Okay, but what I'm expecting is that we'll have a break above this point and then continue to rise from there. Once it breaks this point, then we can start looking for viable trades. So just keep an eye out for that area. Okay, so what is next on our list? We have GBP USD and AUD USD. Okay, can you guys still hear me? Can you put yes in the comment section if you can hear me? Right, as many people as possible. Can you put yes so that I'll know that you guys are still here if you can hear me? Let's see, let's move on to GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD. Let me just check 1 minute to see what's going on with my software. I'm too lazy to do analysis. Right, boom boom boom, bullish. We are bullish on GBP USD, and potentially we can have an opportunity, but I think GBP USD is actually done for the day. We can see it going all the way to 1.229 or 223. I can see it going all the way to 1.223. Okay, and now the issue is we don't want to see it breaking 1.2165, 1.2165, basically around these areas. Okay, I expect it to continue to go long. Where can we see a buy opportunity for this? We can see a buy opportunity around. We can see a buy opportunity around, if the market comes all the way to 1.22. Okay, so you can possibly have a buy opportunity. Let's see. Can possibly have a buy opportunity at around 1.220, but I doubt gbpjpy is going to give us that opportunity today. It can, we'll see, but keep an eye out. A good buy area is around this 1.220 area. Okay, you get here, you look for a buy opportunity, you can go all the way to 1.23, and even if it gets to 1.23, you can still continue and hold the trade up to 1.24 or 1.25 actually. Let me just go back to my software and check. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to get to 1.25 actually, but let's just look at 1.24 area as a long-term target. Okay, so yeah, let's move on to AUD USD. So we only have AUD USD and Bitcoin left. Someone says, okay, yes, you guys can hear me. Someone says, good evening, just want to say thank you for the gold trade. Took 1,100 plus pips so far. I'm gonna spend some to celebrate Eid next month with my parents, and I'm gonna give them lots of gifts. First big winner ever. You're welcome. You're welcome. And I keep on telling people, don't message me asking for signals. Okay, when I want to give signals, join me on my live stream. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and make sure that you have all your notification bells on. If you don't have all your notification bells on, you will miss these free live streams. Okay, I'm coming here, I'm using my software that I paid engineers months for. I'm taking my time, I'm giving you guys free signals, and some people can't even come for the free signal, you know, and then they message me after asking for signals privately. I'm not going to give you signals privately. Okay, if you want public signals, come to my live session. Make sure all your notification bells are on. If you are not going to be there, get someone that is your friend to subscribe and switch on the notification bells and watch it for you guys. Ask the questions that you want. Okay, each of my live stream, I give away at least 400 to 500 pips in each live stream. So the only simple thing I ask you is that you subscribe and you switch on all the notification bells. I'm not even asking, I don't message you guys to ask you to do anything. I don't disturb anybody. Okay? If you want private signals, don't message me and ask me for it. Get the signals. If you want to find out how to trade, buy the course. If you want the software, ask for the software or buy the course and learn. You know, I'm not gonna privately give you signals when other people have paid for it. So basically you want me to cheat them just for you. If you can pay for it, wait for the free live stream. I can do it once a week, I can do it 2 times a week, 3 times. It depends on how I feel. But if you want to be there for it, you have to make sure your notification bells are on. It's just that simple. I'm not asking for much. Anyway, with that being said, we have only, what do we have? We have only AUD USD and Bitcoin left on the list. If you still have any other pairs you want analysis on, put that in the comment section. Okay, it's not that hard. So let's go. And guys, we're almost at 25,000 subscribers, which is good because I'm giving a giveaway at 25,000 subscribers. How many subscribers are we at now? We are at 23,200. Let's keep going, guys. We need 2,000 subscribers more. Once we get to 30,000 subscribers, I'm going to do something big. Also, guys, don't forget to join the Telegram group. Anytime we're having free live stream, any free information, anything I'm doing, I put my updates in the Telegram group. We're almost at 2,000 members in the Telegram group. Make sure to join that. If you want information, my WhatsApp, my Telegram group, my website, it's in the description below. Passport. Can get signals. Some people are even using my signals to pass their prop firm. So yeah, just 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. I want to answer a question, and then I'll be right back on the stream. Okay. right. Yeah, so where were we? So what do you, somebody asks, so what do you think about smart money concept? Well, there is smart money and dumb money in the market, but I don't think it's a concept. I think dumb money is just people using things like moving average. Moving average, everybody's guessing, right? Everybody's guessing. You can teach 5 people support and resistance, put them in the same room, and all of them will put it in different positions. And every single one of them will tell you that their support and resistance is correct. That is gambling. So I consider that dumb money. When you are using moving averages for the currency of a country, literally what people go out every day to spend, exchange, and buy things with, you are using moving average for. A rainbow indicator. Moving average cannot tell you the future. It is a bunch of math calculations shown in a colorful rainbow format. It can never predict the future. It is a bunch of calculations of what has happened in the past, mathematical calculations. Same thing with Ichimoku. So when I see people using those things, I call it dumb money. Smart money is, in my opinion, when you are not trying to fight the market, when you are not trying to beat the market, when you are not trying to outsmart the market. Doing all that, the market wins 95% of the time. It beats traders over 90% of the time. Why are you trying to fight it? The common sense thing is to understand how the market works and then use the rules of the market to your advantage. Another thing I think about is when people use a stop loss in a large exit. Unless you are using lower risk, if you are using your normal risk in a large exit, that is quite dumb. You don't hear hedge funds saying they took a stop loss of 100,000. You don't hear hedge funds saying they took a stop loss of 300,000, 500,000. These are people who trade hundreds of millions and billions. Okay, they hedge their trades out. If you know that you are going to be having big exits like this, hedging is a smart thing to do. Stop losses is for when you have tiny losses you want to take out of the market, not when you have big losses you want to take out of the market. Okay, someone saying, please gold bro, you are probably joining this stream late. I've already done gold. You can just rewind the stream a little bit and figure out what is happening on gold. Okay, gold, my bias is still long on it. It's just having a slight pullback, okay, and we'll see how it plays out tomorrow. Today is Monday, so I'm not surprised about their manipulation, but let's see how all this plays out. I'm still bullish on gold so far. Okay, just be careful. Up. So let's see. Even if gold goes down, I don't expect gold to go below 1960. Okay, so let me just go back and replenish our mind on gold. Okay, I don't expect gold, even if gold keeps pushing down, I don't expect gold to go below 1960. Okay, so it's this area you should be watching out for, this 1960 area. Okay, it can come all the way down and consolidate here, but I expect it to bounce all the way back up. Okay, so we just have to keep on watching and waiting. It hits this 2000 area, so I'm not surprised. A lot of people would have been taking profits here, so that's why we're having a pullback on the market. As you can see, a lot of people hit this 2000 mark, okay, and people are taking profits in the market. Okay, so that's why we're having this retracement. We just have to wait and see how the market flows. So what else do we have left on the list? We have AUD, USD, and Bitcoin. So let me do AUD, USD very quickly so we can move on to Bitcoin and end the stream. Where's the USD? Boom, boom, boom. Ah, there you go. All right. So let's see. We had a trade on AUD USD. It was consolidating, still consolidating. Didn't play out well. Just about 34 pips gone. So let's see what's going on with AUD USD. AUD USD it's kind of bullish, but I don't trust it because it's in a consolidated area. Okay, see how it was consolidating here, still consolidating, it's still in this kind of area. So AUD, I'm just going to wait on it. I would want to see AUD break above 0.675, okay, before I start looking at AUD USD for anything. At this point, I feel like it's being manipulated because it refuses to strongly break this price area. I'll say more specifically 0.725 area. Okay, so you just watch out for this area. This is the point that we have to break. If not, it's going to find a way to drop again, okay, until it can break that price. It's the same thing that is happening with gold. They are finding it hard to find a push up, so we just have to keep waiting and watching. 1970. Okay, this is where gold jumped up from before. 1970, we touched 2000 and it's coming back down there again. So let's just see how it plays out. We're going to Bitcoin now. Bitcoin is kind of bullish right now, okay, but is it what do you call it? Is it a pump and dump? That's what we have to check. Okay, 24,000. Let's just say 24,000. Yeah. So if you're into crypto, you might want to start buying your cryptos right now. Okay, it's a good chance to join in on crypto now. I think we're now in a bullish market. We've broken this 25,000 area that was giving us issues for so long. We got all the way to 28,000. You can start buying your crypto now, but just be very worried about this 27,200 area. It's not a bad area, it's very close. If it breaks this area, we might begin to see crypto drop again, but so far right now, it seems we're in a bullish trend on crypto. You might want to start investing in it now. Do you use fundamentals? I use fundamentals after technicals. Do I go against retail crowd or just technicals? I don't care about retail. Okay, I just know how retail plays their game, which is a dumb game. I don't care about retail. Why should I care about them? Most of the time they lose. I care about the market. The market is the one who wins most of the time. I don't put my focus on retail. I focus on technicals, and after technicals, I focus on fundamental, but technicals first. Just to get to know you, how did you start trading? I started trading 2012. There was an app called Plus 500. They were giving people free $20 in your account. Okay, so I downloaded the application. They gave me free $20. I turned the $20 into $120. I used to trade USD TRY, which is a USD and Turkish lira. Okay, I was able to grow that from 20 to 120, and then they closed my account after I made that money. So that's how I started with trading. But anyways, with that being said, do you have any final questions? We have like 1 more minute left before I end this stream. Let's get our final questions in. Someone says, "Oh yeah, I would really appreciate if you can create a video of your trading journey." What kind of video? I don't know. I don't. My trading journey video. What would you want in the video? I don't. You have to tell me what you want in the video, because my trading journey wasn't like, oh, so interesting. It was full of pain, you know. Because I can remember when I first found my scalping system. I had already given up on trading, but I had this habit, okay? Because when I woke up, the first thing I would do is go to my charts. Before I slept, the last thing that would be on my screen was the charts. So I got used to this. Even when I couldn't trade, I got used to this, and it turned into a habit. So I actually gave up on trading, right? But because I had nothing else to do, I just kept on going on the charts, going on the charts, going on the charts. 4 days after I gave up on trading is when I found the pattern I was looking for, and I found my scalping system. Okay, but by then I had no money. All I had was bread, a loaf of bread, and a bottle of water, and about €3 in my pocket. So yeah, now I know how to trade, but now I don't have any money. So I had to work. I was cleaning some dogs, taking care of some dogs, feeding them. I saved for 1 year. I was able to save up about $3,000. And in the first month, I turned that $3,000 into 11,000. Scalping, high risk scalping. Okay, so I don't know. It depends on what you want to know. Also love to see a video like a day in the life of a trader. That would be exciting. What would you like to see? Scalping, me driving around? I don't know. I have all these videos already. Doing them all over again would just seem kind of boring. I'm looking for what to do. Maybe I should start playing video games like FIFA, or maybe I should start talking about dating. Give me ideas. Do you recommend hedging or stop losses? I recommend hedging. I actually recommend hedging. You can use a stop loss if the loss is very tiny, okay, and you don't need to go into hedging. But if you're in a big loss, like you're holding a big drawdown, then I would recommend hedging. Okay, there are people who have had 40,000 in their account and they were down 47,000. If they started using stop losses, they would have lost their money. I was able to help them get from 90% drawdown, 80% drawdown, back their full accounts. Okay, and these people, if you go to my channel, check a playlist called Testimonial. You would see people that have done in-person course with me. That means they actually came, they met me in person, we did some live trades in person. The videos are on my channel. I have over 600 videos on this channel. I have videos of people talking from different countries, the UK, Europe, USA, talking about how they almost lost their account, and I was able to teach them hedging, and I was able to hedge their account. Even after I hedged their accounts, they didn't give me the money. Some people have helped them save 40,000, 50,000, 100,000. Okay, and they just kept the money. So the videos are there. Watch the testimonial playlist, watch the in-person playlist. Any question you have, anything you have about trading, I have over 600 videos. I have my playlist on the channel. Explore those videos. I have scalping playlist. I have a scalping playlist of taking $200 to about, is it 2,000 or 4,000? Currently, I'm scalping a $2,500 account, and I've taken it to about 19,000. I've uploaded these videos through stages and steps that you can watch in a playlist. Everything is there on my channel. This accounts that I've been trading, I've been swing trading them from day one. So all of them have a playlist. Even this analysis, I've been doing this analysis and putting them in a playlist. It's just that most people don't want to go through the stress of going through this playlist. Even some of the questions that you guys ask, everything is detailed on the website. All you have to do is click one course. You have like 300 words written in details answering every single question, but most people don't want to read. So that's the problem. Someone said, yeah, that's really exciting to hear how you climb your way up from nothing to where you are right now. Someone says taxes in trading. It depends on how you set it up, but it's better to always get your money in crypto. Okay. If your money is still in crypto, you only pay taxes on when you change it to fiat. Okay, because when it's in crypto, it's still in some kind of investments, but that's something I prefer to discuss offline. It's really inspiring. I watch your scalping plays, also the hedging videos. Thank you for your answers. Hi, good morning. I'm new here. FX Yego, you're new here. If you have any final questions, because I'm about to end this stream right now, unfortunately, maybe you came late. Just put your last few questions. I want to end this stream very quickly soon. Okay, so basically, what helped me, the main thing that actually helped me was the day I decided to stop using indicators. I removed all the indicators from my screen and I gave myself a challenge, and I told myself, if you cannot trade without indicators, you will never be able to trade. You will never be able to trade. And that is what I told myself. And since the day I removed all the indicators from my screen and actually started trying to figure it out without indicators, was the day I started getting better and better and better. Okay, so that's just it. You just have to reduce guessing as much as possible. Reduce being dependent on guessing. Reduce being dependent on indicators. Okay, if it seems like gambling, if it looks like gambling, then you're gambling. You have to have some kind of assurance from the market. Okay, what trading style do you recommend to build wealth through trading? If you have a small account, I would recommend you go high risk trading. Okay, scalping, straight scalping. When I had a small account and I needed to make a lot of money, it was scalping, high risk scalping, because when you are doing high risk scalping, you can make a lot of profit fast. Okay, you can grow your account very fast. If you check my Telegram group, go to the video section, you'll see some of my students, even with their MyFX book, they are scalping, they are making 200%, 400% a month, right? But there is risk. High risk equals to high reward. Okay, you are taking high risk when you are taking all those scalps. You are making a lot of profit fast, because if the market doesn't go your way, then you'll be in a drawdown and you can be in a hedge for a couple of days. But the good thing is that you've made so much profit that it won't really matter. When I started my channel, what I used to do is, and you can go back to my old videos, I used to, once I made, let's say I have $200, right? I scalp quickly with high risk, I make my $200 back, right? I withdraw the $200 that I had in my account, and now I'm trading with $200 that I made from the market. So basically I'm trading for free, right? I'm trading with the market's money. Now, if I use the market's $200 to make another $100, I make another withdrawal. Now I have my money back. I have $100 from the market, and I'm still trading with the market's $200 for free. So even if anything bad happens to that account, I lost nothing. These are the kind of things that I teach my students. Learning to trade is easy. Learning to trade is easy. Managing your account, saving your account, and growing it long term is where the work comes in. So if you don't know how to make profits, you have a long journey ahead to go. Learning to make profit is the easy part. Learning to trade is the easy part. You have no idea. You have no idea. Anyways, guys, hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead. Send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram if you have any questions. If you want to buy the course or you want to get the software, you can go to nfxandcrypto.com. If you just want the software, you can message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. And with that being said, I'll try to upload some scalping videos this week. Hope you guys have a nice week ahead, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market.